This is my second attempt to enter Mpape, Abuja, Nigeria's worst slum. The first time was an absolute disaster. Thugs were everywhere. I figured that if I entered this settlement, there was only a 50% chance I would make it out with all my equipment intact. My driver's obvious terror further confirmed my concerns.
If you walk inside and they got your camera, that's not my business. I told you this place is not good. What are you looking for that you cannot get it from here? I think the camera is more costly than anyone else. Yeah. But the environment is not conducive. All these hoodlums are here. Look at them standing, all of them. All these houses are people.
Nevertheless, I exited the car and began filming in this almost apocalyptic environment. Within minutes, we were confronted by a group of hoodlums, heavily intoxicated and armed with clubs. We had to make a hasty exit, but I knew I had to return. Are you interested in more hard-hitting travel content like this? If so, be sure to subscribe to my channel to support my work. After our last ordeal, my driver refused to return to Mpape, so I had to find someone else. David, a local of central Nigeria more familiar with the community. He assures me that Mpape is safe and the young men wandering around are not criminals. He tells me they are just underemployed youth who provide security for the market here. The vendors pay them to keep an eye on things. I hope he is right, because within 10 minutes of returning to Mpape, our car breaks down. We go looking for a mechanic. Do you know where to find an electrician?
I just want to ask these drivers. They should be able to. I thought it was fuel.
So maybe we have a serious problem.
No, it's not. I know it could be the fuel pump.
Okay.
It could be the fuel pump. Oh, brother, well done, Joe. I beg, where have you get the electrician? I just drove in here. Hi, electrician. It be like say whether I'm my fuel pump. I thought it was fuel. I went to buy fuel. Wrong fuel. Yeah.
I decide to continue on foot. Located northwest of the exclusive Maitama district, Mpape sits on some very valuable real estate. But there is one problem: the people. The Nigerian government wants to destroy this place and replace it with high-end real estate. The atmosphere is tense. Will it be days, weeks, months? before the bulldozers arrive and reduce their lives and livelihoods to rubble. Will they mistake me for a government agent or a real estate developer coming to survey their homes? Either assumption could end with them breaking my equipment or worse. I head over to the commercial part of Mpape where that guy tried hitting me with his motorcycle last week. The town gives an old western vibe, like a cowboy movie. He is asking me to film him. The people here are quite friendly compared to the open market we visited last week. Good. I head back to the main road to meet with David, who has found a mechanic to fix the car. Huh? Yeah. I went down there and down there, but we still need to drive a little bit further to get to the...
Check it in for me now. Soon they have.
Okay.
So maybe I'm under the shade because of the sun.
Okay. Nigerian mechanics are perhaps the best in the world. This guy ordered parts and fixed the car very quickly. It cost us around $10 with labor included. We head back on the road and pass through the market where I was confronted last week. The government has already started demolition work here.
You see? A lot of demolition.
Yeah. Finally, we arrive at the residential part of Mpape. This is the True Slum. The government has warned these people to leave several times, and there will be no more warnings. Okay. If anyone confronts me about filming, I'll tell them that I'm here to film the mountain. The mountain. I've been here before. I'm surprised to see so many power lines. The residents must have installed those themselves. Renting a detached home in a place like this costs around 80,000 naira, which is $140 per year, or $12 per month. Rooms in a shared house with no bathroom can go as low as $6 per month. $6 a month in rent is dirt cheap, even for Africa. But despite the power lines, I doubt they have reliable electricity here, and most homes will not have running water. Humans don't need much to be happy, and many of these people live more fulfilled lives than you or me. Anyone who watched my Kigali slum video should be getting some major deja vu right now. It's remarkable how similar these two places are. The ground is made of the same cement-like material. Hello. Hello, brother. Despite their challenges, I think slums can be the most vibrant neighborhoods. You don't see this level of community and population density anywhere else. Instead of demolishing these places, we need to find ways to modernize them. These settlements house huge numbers of people at very low prices, which could help solve the affordable housing deficits you see in many African countries. Wow.
Can you roll this guy,
Yeah, but we don't have time.
Okay.
What time is it?
It should be to 2. 19 minutes to.
19 minutes or 2?
Yeah.
How far? In the top.
So this place is not dangerous.
No, not at all.
Okay. Good afternoon. Thank you. Huh?
I think I'm camera now. I want to talk to you. No. Adventure.
I want to stay longer and explore the nightlife here, but I think I've pushed my luck far enough. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about low-income neighborhoods in Africa, check out my Rwanda series. Links will be to the left of your screen and in the description below.